So when you go to account top up, you're gonna input my promo code, which is Emma. You can see that when you deposit $100, you will receive $150 on your account just because you use my promo code. So don't forget to do that. Hey darlings, this is Emma, and guess where you are? Yes, the answer is on my YouTube channel, where I trade and I share this journey with all of you. So today we're going to be using my favorite platform, Pocket Option. And you know it well if you've been with me for quite some time. And if not, stay and you'll find a lot of really interesting trading ideas and insights right here. So let's dive in and let's use a couple different instruments which I really like and I haven't used them for some time. So today I'm going back to them because oldie but goldie. Today I'm going to be using Bollinger Bands, MACD and Fractal. Yes, that's the three superheroes I picked for today's session, and with their help I'm hoping to make quite a bit of profit. So let's see where this journey takes us. All right? Yes, let's dive right into it. Okay, first things first, candles and M1 for the time frame. And let's see. Bollinger Bands, MACD, and last but not least, Fractal. Here we go. And now I am going to set up my superheroes so they give me the most precise information, which is going to help me make the most informed decisions and essentially make the most profits out of it. All right? Yes, I never skip that part, and you shouldn't either, because the setups are crucial. All right? Let's take a look. Alrighty. And I'm actually gonna leave $40 for the insurance amount, so it's just gonna be 100. The classics. Yes, we are starting very classy. And let's see. So the price approached the resistance zone. Check the bars on the far left. You can see it. And MACD shows the overbought conditions. So we are going to preemptively open a short position and wait for it to drop. Pam, 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 pam. Easy peasy if you know what you're doing. And if you have any doubts or any hesitation when it comes to trading, I highly recommend you to check out my TG channel, because that's the place, and you'll find the link below, where you will get everything you need to take your trading to the next level. So don't wait any longer, go for it, and thank me later. One thing I'm gonna say, you are not gonna regret joining my TG channel. Trust me. And here is the proof why. $192 right off the start. I think it's a great freaking start, am I right? All right, the next asset pair. And I'm going to place 150. Yes, today I'm feeling very modest, so I'm going slowly. And it's going to be a short trade as MACD signals downward movement, and strong seller is in control of the situation, and we're going to align with the trend. Let's go for it and wait for a drop. That's right. I'm feeling like I always stick to monochrome colors. I love black, white, cream, gray, but today I was feeling that I should be wearing the red because my lipstick is red, and I'm like, why don't I pick a top that's also red to give that fire energy? $288 is the next result, and I think it's a great fire energy. What do you think? Let's get the new asset pair and see what we can do next. Okay, $200 is going to be my next bid. That's right, I told you I'm going slowly. And well, the price breaks out of the sideways range finally to the downside, piercing the Bollinger Band channel. And MACD confirms the short signal. And we're gonna go for a put option here, because when everything goes down, we seize the opportunity. That's right. That's the way to do it, guys. That's the way to win. I'm in such a great mood today. It's kind of cloudy outside, but you know what? Trading is always bringing my mood up, all the way up. It gives me so much joy and so much energy. The process itself, but also the results. Tell me about your experience in the comments. Yes, $384, you guys. Bum, bum, bum. We are clearly on the right track. Let's see if this asset pair is a good option for us. I believe it is, actually. Okay, and I'm going to increase the bid to 300 and take a look. Can you see that? Yes. Very similar situation unfolds here. So the price moves down from the middle Bollinger Band after an accumulation phase. And MACD supports a short position, so we're gonna go for a put option here. Yes, it's the day of the sales. What can I say? Time to sell, it's time to sell. I'm not gonna argue. And guys, if you wanna be sure of decisions you make, I highly recommend you check out my TG channel. You will find the link below, and that's where I put everything I use daily, the most effective strategies, the unique signals, the tools, the insights, and every piece of information I believe will help you to take your trading to the next level. You will find it there because it's all in one place. $576. I'd say great result. Time for the next asset pair. Here we are. Yeah, that's gonna work. Well, let's increase it to 450 and the price break through a fractal line with the oscillator indicating further downward movement. And the Bollinger Bands confirm the breakout. So we are going to go for a put option here and wait for this to happen. I'm just looking at the candles, the colors of the candles, and I guess I am resembling a red candle today, which is really funny because it's a bunch of reds and we keep selling and I'm wearing red, so maybe it's a sign. I don't believe in this kind of coincidence, but I do believe that sometimes everything just aligns. So it's the day of sales and the day of profits, $864. I mean, the results, they speak for itself. What can I say? I am just enjoying it. All right. Well, I feel like doing one more. All we gotta do is to make sure the asset pair is right in terms of the right market situation. And I think it's the one. So let's increase the bid slightly. 600, yes, the bids are up. And right now, the price is exiting a sideways range and going downward. MACD is signaling a bearish move, and we are anticipating a break below the middle Bollinger Bands. So if we anticipate a break below a middle Bollinger Band. So short position it is. I don't see any other way because every tool is pointing to a drop. So we're gonna wait for it. $1,152. Sorry, that was loud, but that's just the level of my excitement, because as you can see, with the right strategies and the right decisions, you can make the profit like that. Starting small and going big. That's the ultimate goal, right? Yes. Guys, and if you want to make sure every decision you make is the right one, I once again highly recommend you to check out my TG channel. You will find the link below, and there you will find everything you need in order to make consistent profits every time you trade. Welcome to my TG. I'll see you there, and I will see you here on my YouTube channel very, very soon. I'm gonna miss you, and thank you for being so awesome. Love you all. Have a great day. Bye-bye.